welcome to my weekly analysis. I drop my weekly USDJPY analysis on this channel. So if your first time viewing this channel, do smash the subscribe button, also like this video. So just like we analyzed or we said last week, we're expecting the market to sweep this liquidity, which it did very nicely. And the moment I knew, okay, sellers are really in the game, sellers really want to push this market, was when I got this candle right here, this very strong bearish candle that has a lot of volume. This kind of signaled, okay, sellers are in the game. And also on the lower time frame, it gave us an order block and also fair value gap. Follow the trend. Follow the trend. As long as you are following the trend, believe me, you're going to win at least 70% of the time, because of the market makers are the one that create the trend. So I was patiently wait. For me, I would not have taken this trade if I did not see this big ass candle right there. I would have wait for this break of structure, the market to close below that structure. Then any pullback I get, either to another block, a fair value gap, then if I see issues, I'll be going for my shorts. That is really how I do my trade. That's really how I take I love to follow the market structure. Following the market structure gives you an edge, and also if you have patience in this market, it is not just an edge in the market. So this is what I'm really expecting the market to give us this coming week. Let's clear the charts. Okay, so let's start from the weekly. Let's do a top-down analysis to our 4-hour time frame. So if you see from the weekly, what are we seeing? Let's mark up our zones. We have this very nice zone right here, and also we have this very nice zone right here. So as we can see, the market is currently reacting to this zone and it's pushing up. And what are we seeing? We are seeing this very nice pin bar right here, very nice rejection, telling us sellers just came into the market. They won the weekly. You can see the candle before it has a very low body, or the body was kind of small, and we saw that the sellers pushed the market down, then buyers kind of bought up, then closed. For this week, buyers try to push the market up, sellers still show up again. So we are seeing that sellers are really in this market. So let's drop down on the daily time frame. What are we seeing on the daily? For me, I've not seen a price action on the daily that is really pointing for me to sell. We are still on an uptrend, not an uptrend. We are on a downtrend, a major downtrend. This major downtrend, but we are still on a trend because of on a lower time frame. This is also a very strong trend. So I'm waiting for that complete shift of the market before I enter my trades. So just like we analyzed, we saw this zone. This is a very important zone right here. Very important zone which the market came to test. So let's go down to our 4-hour to see where we have our best entries. So putting on the line charts, what are we seeing? We are still on an uptrend. We have not yet gotten our shifts. We have this change of character, or look at the change of character here, then a break of structure, another break of structure, and this low was the one that created this high. So we're expecting this low to be broken or get a close below this low. Then the market should pull back either to a fair value gap, another block, any way you can get your entry, there. Then once we get a shift on the 15 minutes, then we are going for a short. The market can still continue from next week, just continue trending down, or the market can just reverse from there. It is possible, but follow the trend. If you follow the trend, believe me, you are going to win most of your trade. Okay, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do it to subscribe as I drop your trades. So what am I expecting the market to give me this week? Like for me, what am I expecting? First, I'm waiting for the market to break this low right here. If the market break, give me a close below this zone. This is kind of really telling me sellers are really taking price to the downside. This is just what it's telling me. So if I do get a closure or a candle closure here, any reversal I see for me is a sell opportunity for me. So if I see a reversal, the market give me an ABC or any type of pattern to come and do a double bottom, a double top. Then if I see a change of character, that's where I'll be going for my shorts to target this zone, because of the market will want to sweep this low right here to continue the trend down. This is basically what I'm expecting the market to give me this week. But firstly, it's either the market continue trending down, or the market just give us that candle break, trend up, come to a fair value gap, order block, supply zone, then we have this nice rejection to the if we do get this push to the upside, where am I expecting to go for my shorts? If you see this zone right here, you see this very nice zone, that zone is where I'm expecting my shorts. If we get there, fine. If we don't get there, fine. But that is where I'll be patiently waiting for my shorts. If the market really not get there before it gives me a change of character, then the market is all about reacting to the market. It's not about being right. Just react to what the market is giving you at a particular time, then you get the best of it. So this is a 1:3, very nice trade. Okay, so for me, this is what I'm expecting the market to give me this coming week. Let me clear this stuff a little. So what I'm expecting the market to give me this week is pretty easy. First, I want to see a break. Let me use this too. I want to see a break, a candle break. Then either the market, trend, anyhow it gets to that zone. Then I want to see a shift on the 50 minutes before I go in for this sell. I want to see a shift. I want to see this shift right here. Once the market gives me this shift, any pullbacks it give me or anything, I will go in for my sell. So this is basically what I am expecting the market to give us this coming week. So if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, give it I said before, I give only USDJPY analysis in this channel. So if you trade USDJPY in your pair is one of the pair you trade, do well to subscribe. Smash that notification icon. So whenever I drop a content, you'll be the first person to get the video. So when next we meet again, I wish you guys a happy trading and peace out.